What's happening, YouTube? John from RC Garage Works. Today I have my ECX Orange Crush out. I don't know if anybody or if everybody knows ECX. They were a good RC company. I didn't have quite a few, but I have this. I have a Ruckus that's brushed. How do I explain ECX? It's a cheaper RC company. But I got to tell you, pretty adorable. The Ruckus, not so much. The Crush has been good to me. This mainly sits on my shelf. I don't want to kill it. I don't use it much. This one is brushless. Two-wheel drive. She does boogie. Right now she's on 2S. I have run her on 3. But I will not go crazy with this one. I don't want to destroy it. I haven't been able to find any of the bodies. Just give it a run. They weren't the best handlers, but they were a lot of fun. And yes, this one is wheelie prone. As you can see, it does a lot of jumping. Suspension doesn't really soak up the bumps. It's an older RC. This is just the technology back in the days. Full power. In the street, forget it. You can't keep the wheels down. And, to boot, two-wheel drive trucks, they slow down like shit. Just locks the rear wheels, throws you into a spin until you're tumbling down the street. You do not want to do that with this. Doesn't jump too bad, as long as it's small, not under crazy throttle. Let's see if I can get full throttle over here. And the way the timing is on this motor, it's almost like they delayed the power. It's almost like turbo leg. As you nail it and it's soft, then she hits. Like right now, full throttle. Now, boom. Full throttle. Let me see if I can get it out in the street. Do a street pass if I can control it. They're not bashers. They're meant to go have fun in the dirt, maybe some grass. And that's it. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this out, so I just watched one of JTRC's videos. He picked up another ECX, near mint condition, if not mint condition. And I believe it was a Ruckus, I don't remember. But that just sparked my interest to fire mine up. Now, I should bring out my Ruckus. That one, it's in good shape, not mint. It's not in good a shape as my Crush, but it's brushed. Dare I say I don't care about it? I don't mind if it gets a little scratched up. Takes a couple of tumbles. This one I do. You don't see any orange Crushes. To tell you the truth, I think it's just called a Crush. But I mean, it looks the part. It looks the part like a monster truck. All right, let's see. It's also running a DX2E Spectrum radio. I think it's got a Dynamite 3650 motor in it. I think it's 3,500 kVs. Yeah, she just wants to go sideways. You have to go ease into it. See if I can bring it back and do that. Yeah, and the turning sucks. Whoop. A little bit of sand, that's what happens. I don't know, 30 miles an hour? Again, I don't want to destroy it. So I really don't know. Let's see if I can get it in the dirt and get full throttle. This is somewhat smooth. Come on back. Full throttle. And that's 2S. Not going to get much faster on 3, but you get more power. Now, this surface isn't super smooth, but it's good enough for this. Tell you the truth, I haven't run this on 3S. I'm not sure if I'm able to run it on 3S. I could throw a 3S in it and see, but now 3S I'm running is an Angry Snail, 2S rather, Angry Snail 2200. I think it's like 30C, 35C. Full throttle. Full throttle. That's probably about 30. Thereabouts. More than enough to keep me entertained. Yeah, so for those of you that are not too familiar with ECX, go check out JT's video on the one he just picked up. I believe it was eBay. I'm not sure. I picked this up off eBay, I don't know, 3 years ago. It probably took me that long to find it. Always wanted one, never had one. Now, I believe I bought it from the original owner. It was the first time I used it. Dude, both rear tires came unglued. And the glue looked like it was there for a long time. Let me show you full throttle straight away. And I'll show you what I'm talking about with the delay. Full throttle. Now she goes. It's probably a 1 to 2 second delay, which I'm okay with, because you would make it uncontrollable otherwise. Wish, shoulda, woulda, coulda, but all the RCs that I've had over my time of being with RCs from, 1986. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I should have saved all of them. And not for the money aspect of it, but just a little bit of history of what got me into it. I don't care what it is. I just love driving it. I don't have to bash. I don't have to go 60 miles an hour. I do have to crawl. That much I'm going to say. I love crawling. So that's a wrap, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about ECX, or if you know anything about them, or if you've even had them. I love reading comments, love replying, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. also the bell. Thanks everyone.